How can I earn through YouTube channel? See, the basic thing about YouTube is that it is not just meant for money. You yourself should have interest in what content you are making. Anyone can earn hundreds of dollars without interest in what you are doing. But if you do it for entertainment rather than money, you'll feel much better making money. Now this is what you need to keep in mind. When you are uploading a video, make sure you do it on a day like Saturday or Monday. Make sure that video is related to a topic that is trending in order to get more views and fame. If you want to make most possible money out of YouTube, try making a video of more than 10 minutes of length. While uploading a video, make sure you put a lot of tags. That improves the SERP number of your video in a search result. Now, while uploading a video, go to the monetization section and click on monetize the video. If you are uploading the video above 10 minutes of length, you can insert more ads in between to get more revenue. Make sure you don't insert more than 10 ads in between, as your audience may get bored and stop watching your videos. Now I was talking about ads because you earn money out of advertisements. According to my knowledge, YouTube gives $3 to $2 for 1,000 ad impressions. Now, if you have 10 ads in a video, they won't play every time on every device, but if they do, you'll possibly get $3 to $2 for 100 views on that complete video, and only if ad is played. If your content is good and after you have reached 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, you can also earn through product reviews and ask sponsors to sponsor your channel. Now, the most important thing to be kept in mind, you can only withdraw your YouTube revenue once it has reached $100. And if you are unable to make that much money in a month, it will reset to $0 from the next month. So this was all I knew about YouTube earning, and make sure to take advice from others too before you take any wrong steps on YouTube.